Have you ever wondered what happens if a piece of fishbone is stuck on your neck? You might think that it can't do you much harm or even provide some health benefits. But before trying this remedy out for yourself, it is important to step back and learn more about the possible risks of doing so. In this video, we will explore the effects of getting a fishbone stuck in your throat, from skin irritation to infection. So hit that like button real quick and let's get started. If a fishbone gets stuck in your neck, it can cause immense discomfort and even damage to the skin. Depending on the size of the fishbone and where it is pressed against on your skin, it can make an unpleasant scratch or puncture wound. The shape and texture of the bone make it particularly dangerous when it is accidentally swallowed due to its sharp edges and thin structure. As it moves across the delicate skin, these sharp points can easily puncture or tear your tissue, causing pain and risking infection. In some cases, a person may not feel any sensation until they have removed the fishbone from their neck, as there are nerve endings in this area that could be damaged without any initial feeling of pain. Additionally, having a fishbone stuck in your neck can cause permanent scarring due to its jagged edges and size, so it is important to be cautious when you're eating fish. Now, what do you do if you accidentally swallow one? It is important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Treatment for a lodged fishbone may be needed, and if not properly treated, the situation could potentially become dangerous. The best course of action is to visit the nearest emergency room or urgent care center. A doctor can assess the situation and determine if further medical intervention is necessary. If so, they may take an X-ray of the affected area to determine the size and location of the fishbone before proceeding with treatment. In some cases, surgery may be required to remove the object from an area that cannot be reached by other means. It is important to remain calm and avoid touching or attempting to remove the object yourself. This could cause further damage or even worsen the situation by pushing it even deeper into the skin or soft tissue. It is also a good idea to avoid eating fish without having their bones removed. If you are unable to get immediate help from a doctor, there are some self-care measures that can be taken in order to reduce discomfort, such as applying cold compresses on and around the affected area. However, these should only be used as temporary measures until professional help can be sought. If symptoms like fever, chills, difficulty in breathing or swallowing starts to occur, then it is time to call the medics immediately. Just make sure that you don't try to pull it out by sticking your finger in your throat. So that is what happens if you accidentally swallow a fishbone. And that is all for this one. If you made it until the end, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also tell us in the comment section whether you have swallowed a fishbone by accident and what was your experience like. Until next time, stay healthy and thank you for watching.